that. I just want to be in this bliss and truth and breathe and be in this openness. I want to feel my higher self. I want to feel my heart. I want to feel this connection that I do with everybody, everywhere. I don't want to wear a mask because that mask prevents me from seeing clearly. If I was to make myself blind in any way, like less conscious, that would be making me stupid. I don't see any glory in that. I don't see any fanciness about that. In a world where blindness is considered a norm, I'm not gonna be blind. I want to help people open their eyes and live without the mask. You are me and I am you deep down, because we're just different expressions of the same. We're one. And we don't need no masks. We don't need no masks. I just want to cry because this message comes through me so strongly. We don't need no masks. We can just be ourselves. We can just be true, awake, and true.